In today's video, we're going to be working on solving multiplication and division equation. In number 1, we have 10x equals 80. So that problem is going to be multiplication. To get rid of a multiplication, you have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So for this one, to get rid of 10, since it's multiplying, we got to do the opposite, which is division. Which is we're going to divide by 10 to go ahead and leave x by itself. But remember, whatever we do on one side of the equal sign, we always have to do it on the other side of the equal sign as well. So we're going to have, cross that out, and we're going to have x by itself. X equals 10 goes into 80 8 times. So x equals 8. Then to check our work, every time we want to check our work, all you have to do is wherever you see the x, we're going to plug in 8. So in this case, we have 10, and the x, we're going to plug in 8 equals 80. Now with 10 times 8 is 80 equals 80. So if you can see, 80 equals 80. If you have a different number other than 80, then you know your answer is wrong. For number 2, we have x divided by 5 equals 9. The opposite of division is going to be multiplication. So to get rid of x over 5, we have to multiply by 5 over 1. And whatever we do on one side of the equal sign, don't forget we have to do it on the other side of the equal sign. So we're going to multiply that by 5 over 1. Or we can just leave it as 5 because it's going to be the same thing. Now, so these are going to go ahead and cancel. 5 goes into 5 one time, 5 goes into 5 one time, 1, then it's going to leave x by itself now. 9 times 5 is 45. And to check your work again, wherever you see your x, just plug in 45. So this one we put 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 5 goes into 45 9 times, so 9 equals 9. So as you can see, that is the same answer. In problem 3 and 4, I want you to go ahead and pause the video. Try to go ahead and solve them yourself. If you're still kind of having problems, go back and look at example 1 and 2. Go over them as many times as you can so you can get a little bit better on solving these problems, and then come back and try to solve problem 3 and 4. After that, go ahead and put play and see if you got the same answer that I did, or wherever you did your mistake, check where you did your mistake. So start with number 3. So we have 6x equals 36, so we know we're multiplying. So remember, the opposite of multiplication is going to be division. So to get rid of 6, we have to divide by 6. Whatever we do on one side of the equal sign, don't forget you have to do it on the other side of the equal sign. Okay. So now that we did that, we're going to go ahead and cancel 6 here. It's going to leave x by itself. So we have x equals 6 goes into 36 6 times. Then we're going to go ahead and check how to check our work. Remember, wherever we see our x, we're just going to put in 6. So we have 6, whatever we have x, which is 6, equals 36. 6 times 6 is 36 equals 36. So we know right away that we got our answer correct. For number 4, x divided by 3, we know that the opposite of division is going to go ahead and be multiplication. So we're going to multiply by 3 over 1, or just 3. And whatever we do on one side of the equal sign, don't forget we have to do it on the other side of the equal sign. So we're going to go ahead and cancel. 3 goes into 3 one time. Cancel, cancel. And it's going to leave x by itself. Then 8 times 3 is going to be 24 over 1, which is the same as just 24. And to check our work, remember, wherever we see x, we're going to plug in 24. So we're going to plug 24 divided by 3 equals 8. And 3 goes into 24 8 times. 8 equals 8. And that's how we go ahead and check our work. Okay. If you're still having problems, remember, go ahead and keep on repeating the video and watch it as many times as you can or you want to, so you can get better. On the link below, I'm going to put another link that I have another videos on more problems on one-step equation on adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. And don't forget, if you know that any friends will benefit on watching this video, go ahead and share the video. And thank you for watching.